Let's sing the ABC song together. La 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 la. A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for doll, doll. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for fish, fish. G is for gorilla, gorilla. H is for hat, hat. La 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 la. I is for igloo, igloo. J is for juice, juice. K is for koala, koala. L is for lion, lion. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for nest, nest. O is for octopus, octopus. P is for pig, pig. La 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 la. Q is for queen. R is for rabbit, rabbit. S is for sun, sun. T is for tiger, tiger. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for volcano, volcano. W is for whale, whale. X is for X-ray, X-ray. Y is for yo-yo, yo-yo. Z is for zoo, zoo. La 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 la. Colors all around. Let's name them safe and sound. Learning colors one by one with each one. Let's have some fun. Red like a juicy apple, ripe and sweet. Blue like the sky where the birds tweet. Yellow like the sun, shining bright. Green like the grass, such a lovely sight. Colors all around. Let's name them safe and sound. Learning colors one by one with each one. Let's have some fun. Orange like a tiger, bold and strong. Purple like grapes in a vineyard long. Pink like a flower, blooming in spring. Brown like a bear, cuddly thing. Colors everywhere. Let's name them without a care. Learning colors as we play in our colorful world every day. Black like the night when the stars shine bright. White like snow glistening in the light. Gray like a cloud floating in the sky. Rainbow colorful worlds flying high.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, you say. VWXYZ, letters in a line. Sing along, let's make it fun. Alphabet's the rhyme. A to Z we sing, every letter's king. Round and round the tune we go, the alphabet will show. A, B, C, D now, E, F, G, and then H, I, J, K, L, M. Start with vowels again. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. True, true. W to X makes sense. Now Y, Z with you. Sing it loud and clear. Alphabet, my dear. Every letter shines like gold, and the story's told. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. True. W to X makes sense. Now Y, Z with you.
One little duck swimming in the pond, quack, quack, quack all day long. Two fluffy bunnies hopping in the sun, hop, 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 having so much fun. Count with me, 1, 2, 3. Learning numbers, it's so easy. Sing along and clap your hands. Let's count together across the lands. 3 bright stars shining in the night. Twinkle, twinkle, what a sight. 4 colorful balloons floating in the air. Up, up, without a care. Count with me, 1, 2, 4. Learning numbers we adore. Sing along and stomp your feet. Counting is oh so sweet. 5 little puppies wagging their tails, barking happily as they chase the tails. 6 tiny ladybugs crawling on a leaf, exploring the world without any grief. Count with me, 1, 2, 3. Learning numbers we adore. Sing along and stomp your feet. Counting is oh so sweet. 7 shiny apples hanging from a tree. Yum, yum, yum for you and me. 8 busy bees buzzing in the hive. Working together they thrive. Count with me, 1 through 8. Learning numbers, it's never too late. Sing along and nod your head. Counting adventures ahead. 9 colorful crayons lined up in a row, drawing pictures with colors that glow. 10 friendly turtles basking in the sun,